Hey guys, it's Miss Antoinette here and Miss Home, and we're going to run you through our first science lab, which is not quite an experiment, but we're going to go through some of the scientific processes and procedures as we do it. So if you were here in the building, we would go over science safety first. So whenever you're working with materials, especially when you don't know what it is, there are some things we do for safety. We wear goggles. Miss Home wears glasses. So if you were a child that had glasses, you wouldn't have to wear goggles over your glasses. Your glasses would protect your eyes. Whenever we open things, we don't just put our noses and sniff it. We waft. So we go like this if we are trying to identify something with smells. We don't put anything in our mouths that we're working with. So even though you're not here, we are still going to focus a little bit on safety and things like that. So we are going to be making a simple lava lamp. And we're doing this so that we can review observations and inferences. So at this point, we have already gone over some of that basic vocabulary of observation and inference. We're going to go through creating the simple lava lamp, and we're going to pause and get Miss Holmes going to bring things up closer to the camera so that you guys can make some observations, and then afterwards you will make inferences based on those observations. So our surface area is clean. So we are going to start with our 3 test tubes, and we're going to drop 2 drops of food coloring into the empty test tube. We're going to do that first. We got yellow. Okay. Then we're going to fill the test tube 1/4 of the way with water. So normally if you guys were here, we would just have things on the table for you to pour with pre-measured out, but we're just going to guess what about 1/4 is. Yeah, that's about 1/4. So that is 1/4 of the way filled. Hopefully you can see that that color is green. Okay. Water happy on that one. Mm-hmm. And then Ms. Holmes is going to bring up another test tube for you guys to see closely. Yeah, a little more than 1/4, and that one is blue. And this one looks a little orangey, but we did fill it with yellow. That's about 1/4 of the way full with the yellow. So we want you to record some observations just that you're seeing with those 3 test tubes in your hand. You're going to record some observations right there. Okay? So now we're going to add double the quantity of oil. Double the quantity of oil. So now we're going to make it 3/4 filled. So we did 1/4 with water. So now we're going to do 2/4, which is 1/2. I'm going to come over here with oil. See. Tell me when to. Yep, that seems about good. Yeah. Nope, that's good. So we filled that, double the quantity with oil. Okay? So you're going to make some observations about that. That's okay that this one's a little bit more full. Here's what the green one looks like. It's really heavy, so it comes out really fast. And then the last one will be the blue. So the oil is sitting right here, and the water mixed with the food coloring is right down there. Okay, so again, you're going to be in your science, and you're going to be writing down what observations you're making. So then we're going to drop 1/2 a fizz tablet into each of them. So I'm going to drop that first one for you guys closer to the counter so you can see.
I'm going to drop the fizz tablet in. Let me move my fingers so you can actually see. And
you're going to make some observations about what you guys are seeing.
Go ahead and you're going to write observations.
Hey guys. Because our tablets are a little bit older, we're just banging them a little bit so that we can get the chemistry. Okay, so here's what the yellow one is looking like. So you guys should be making some observations about what you are seeing happen. One of the things we get asked every year is what would happen if we were to add more of the fizzy stuff. So you guys got to see the blue while Miss Hone is showing you the green. I'm going to add one more tablet to the first one, just the first one, the blue. That way, if you guys were to have that question, you can have an answer. What would happen if you were to add more?
You can see this one's working a little bit better than the other ones.
We're gonna wait for this one to go just a little bit more. Yeah. So now, instead of just having half a tab, we've got a full tab in this one. You guys should be seeing a little more activity there. Okay, so make sure that you guys are writing down your observations, and then we're going to use those observations to make some inferences. So thank you guys for watching with us as we did our first lava lamp procedures, our first simple lava lamp. We hope that you enjoyed it, and we will discuss your observations and your inferences later. All right, bye guys.